Hey guys, it's Ava, and if you couldn't tell already, I just painted my room. So yeah, my bed's not made right now. Ignore that. Pretend that's not there. I did kind of move my setup, so just ignore the background of my room. So today I'm going to be doing the blindfolded slime challenge, and one of you guys requested this, and I'm pretty sure her name was Malina. So thank you. Please check out her channel. Thank you for requesting this. So I am going to be blindfolding myself with this panda blindfold. I don't know how I look. How do I look in this? Bad. But I have some ingredients here. Like I have stuck to the back of my purse. There we go. I have some glue, some lotion, some hand sanitizer. If you're wondering where I get these from, I get them from Five Below. I just buy these big ones. They're $2 and they just work. Then I have some shaving cream, baby oil, foaming hand soap, borax. I pre-made borax because I don't want to be touching borax blindfolded. Some glue, some glitters and some food colorings, cornstarch, contact lens solution, lotion, that kind of thing. So I have a lot of different ingredients here. And so, yeah, let's just get started. I'm going to be holding this, so I'm starting with these two things. And yeah, so... Okay, so here's my thing, here's this, there's the glue. Okay, this is a lot harder than it looks. Don't even know if I got any glue. Where'd the cap go? There it is. Okay, where's the spoon? There it is. Okay, so I got this. Now I need my shaving cream. Yeah, okay. This is confusing. Like, uh-oh. Did I lose my spoon? Uh-oh. There it is, okay. So, like, I've been watching people do these. They're a lot harder. It's a lot harder to do than it looks. Because you are, like, mixing things. It's just weird. So, I don't know how it looks now. So, I'm going to try to find the foaming hand soap. Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, there we go. I'm hoping I'm going to get a nice teal blue color. So, I can hope for that. It smells pretty good. I have no clue what I've added. That's borax. Okay, I don't know. I'm not sure whether this is hand sanitizer or foaming hand soap. I think it's foaming hand soap. So, I have absolutely no clue what I just added the last time. And if you guys think I'm cheating, I promise I'm not. I mean, like, I don't know whether it's in front of my face right now. But my hands are getting really gross, I can tell that much. Here's some baby oil. Baby oil is like impossible to open. It's even worse if you're blindfolded. What the? Forget the baby oil. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I just got a little bit in there maybe. All I know is that it spilled all over my leg. Like, when I say all over, I mean it's all over me. Like, it's just, oh, it's upside down. That was, oh, God. No. If you could see this right now, like, my leg is disgusting. It's all over it. So, there's my spoon. It's mixing it together. Okay, this is gross. Ew, it's all over my leg. Alright, now I'm going to try and find a color. I think this is my basket with my glitters and stuff in it. So again, I'm hoping for a blue slime. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh, that was... This is like 10 times harder than it looks. Everything gets super messy and it's just gross. I don't like this challenge. Okay, I think I'm gonna try for some blue glitter too. I'm not sure. If you think, oh, you've memorized your glitters, there's no way I've memorized my glitters. Okay, okay. I think I dropped the lid somewhere, I don't know where. Is it in here? So if so, I want to know. There it is. Darn it. I'm just going to leave it. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm going to take my blindfold off. I'm not going to look at anything. But I need to fix my glue and stuff. I didn't look at anything. I didn't see a single thing. I can't let anything spill on anything because that's really a bad thing. So, I promise, like, I 100% promise I did not lie to you guys. I did not look at anything. I need to know what glitter, I'm not looking, I'm trying to find out where my glitter is. Because, like, I promise I didn't look, guys, so this blindfold is probably ruined because it has glue all over it. But that's okay, but I promise, I didn't look at anything. I have no clue what color it is. I'm still hoping it's blue. So, now it's time for borax. If I can even find it. On the floor. Darn it. Why can't I find it? No. Once again, I'm not looking, guys. I mean, like, if I don't find borax, I mean, like, it could hurt me if I were to mess up with this. So, and once again, if it's a hazard, I'm obviously going to take my blindfolds off. Like, if the glitter were to spill, that could be a problem. And also, like, I don't want to get hurt by borax trying to find it, so I'm going to just grab it. It happened to be on the floor. It happened to be what fell. So once again, I haven't seen anything. I promise, guys, I would never lie to you. Okay. I have no clue what I'm adding right now. I think that's enough. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. How is it? Gross. Ew. Okay, oh, okay. It's 10 times harder than it looks, guys. Oh my gosh. Where's my borax? That's disgusting. Ew. I've never done something this gross before with slime. Why would anyone do this? I wonder who invented this, because it's pretty gross. Hoping for a blue slime with blue glitter. Pretty formed, I think. No, don't do that. That was gross. Okay, that's baby oil. I think this is my cap to my glitter, if I'm not mistaken. Where's the borax? Darn it, I should have put it somewhere where I could find it. And there it is, okay. It's spraying everywhere. Hopefully it doesn't get in my mouth. I'm really hoping it's blue. If not, then I have absolutely no clue. Maybe it's an orange, maybe it's pink. The only color I think it isn't is probably like green or purple, because I have like two of every color, but green and purple, so yeah. So, yeah, this is my slime. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's good, but I'm going to take my blindfold. Oh, wow. Okay. This place is disgusting. Okay, that's my bottle of borax. This is my slime. It's purple, just like I thought it wouldn't be. There's baby oil all over me. And I'll like wipe that up with the slime. It actually isn't half that bad, because you can see here, it's pretty stretchy to be honest, and it's a nice color. The glitter looks okay in it. Like, that's surprising to me. I thought I was going to completely fail at this challenge, but it's so much harder. I just realized I didn't add any lotion. That's okay though. I didn't add enough purple dye either. So this is the cap to the glitter right here. The glitter's probably on my floor with my luck. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna get the glitter and be right back. Good news. Gone. Nothing fell out. It's really good news for me, because otherwise I would have been like, my mom would have been like, no more making slime, no more nothing, no more nothing. And then my YouTube channel would be gone. So, yeah, but it honestly isn't that bad. I think that this is probably, it's a big slime though. I used a lot of glue. Yeah, I did. But if I look back on it, it's hard. Like, if you guys want to do this, it's hard. But I would recommend having parental supervision, because I thought I was going to be fine. It was pretty scary for a minute, because I thought I was going to get borax in my eyes. Or not in my eyes, but like in my mouth and stuff. So I would recommend you like have a parent just in case. But I was very careful. I made sure that this was closed until I used it, just because, you know, like, you don't want to accidentally just happen to have borax there. So I used quite a bit of baby oil, but you know, the usual. But this is how my slime turned out, and there's a green blob in it apparently. It's not too bad. I honestly don't think it's that bad. It's pretty stretchy for a slime that I made completely blindfolded, and I like it. I don't like the slime. I'm not going to keep this slime, but I mean, for making it blindfolded, I think it's pretty good. So yeah, I will. Please check out my Etsy shop link down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! After that goodbye, one more thing I wanted to say. My leg is glossy. It's disgusting. If you can't see that gloss, I mean, like, it's really gross. Like, it's disgusting. So now I'm gonna go get in the shower. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.